Many people just truly misuse and abuse the use of weightlifting belts, whether it be a 13mm traditional leather belt or it be a Velcro belt used for multi-purposes. There are a time and a place to use belts, and there's a right person to use the belts with. If you're in pain, if you're putting on the belt in order to hold yourself together, the belt is not going to be the best thing for your long-term orthopedic health, or honestly for your short-term health. Where the belt comes into play is using it as a performance enhancement tool in order to really accentuate the use of a primed bracing position at the shoulders, the hips, and more so the core unit. As we can brace 360 degrees into the belt turns into an external cue for us to maximize the brace, but also something to push off of in terms of our expansion through, again, 360 degrees around the core position. So the belt, in our opinion, can be used for two main things: for working sets of the squat and working sets of any hip hinge based movement. If you're using them for bicep curls, if you're using them to go take a piss between sets, you're overusing the belt. Make sure that it's a minimum viable dose that you're using only for an intermediate or an advanced strength athlete, and nothing more, nothing less.